Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video tutorial, and in today's video tutorial we will be looking at how to create a query using information from another query. Now just a quick reminder, query is normally used to retrieve data based on a specific criteria that was given within a database. Now in order to create our query, we first select on our Create tab at the top of our ribbon, and a variety of options will show up. However, we want to go in the section that says Queries, and we want to use the one that says Query Design. Once we select that, a pop-up box appears showing us the different areas where we can collect information to prepare our query. Now again, we are just going to use information from another query and not from a table as we did before. So we select the option that says Queries, and there are currently two queries in our system. However, the one that we want to use is the one that says Q4. The reason we are using the Q4 query is to be able to find the overall total for quarters 1, 2, 3, and 4. So once that has been highlighted, we are going to select Add, and then we close the pop-up box. From the Q4 query, we want to add all of the current fields that are there. So we select first name, last name, Q1, 2, 3, and 4. Immediately to the right of Q4, in the row that contains a field, we are going to place our cursor, and once that has been completed, we are going to right click on our touchpad or our mouse, and then in the drop down box that appears, we are selecting the option that says Build. Once selected, a pop-up box containing our build expression appears, or rather expression builder, and there is a section that says expression elements, so we want to locate our database that we are currently working from. So mine was previously titled database, and so I double tap, and from that it gives me the options of locations from where I want to add information. In this case, I want to select queries, so again I double tap, and in the queries I want the Q4. Once selected, options appear on the right hand side in the expression category. Again, only want information for quarters 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the first one that I want to select is Q1, followed by the addition sign, Q2, addition sign, Q3, addition sign, and finally Q4. Once that has been completed, I will go ahead and select OK. Now before we finalize our query by hitting run, we want to change the default name that is currently there, which is EXPR1, which is short for expression 1, to overall quarter amount. So my cursor was placed to the right of the number 1, and then I delete the information. So I will go ahead and put overall quarter amount, and that finalizes my query for this case, the overall quarter amount, and so I will go ahead and select run. Once I have selected the run option, I am now able to see all of the headings that were previously in my Q4 query, along with the heading that says overall quarter amount. So this is just an easy way of creating queries using information from another query. I thank you so very much for watching this video tutorial, and I do hope to see you in the next video tutorial, tuning in and learning more. Thank you so very much for watching.